What's up, guys? What the fuck doing here now? What's up, guys? Today we're gonna do. Today, guys, I'm gonna show you how to spin a top. First, you get the rope, and then you get the top. You spin it around like this. So this is the way I began. I wrapped it around my finger and I hold it like this. And then I just went like this, then I put back. So here's how I did it. So here's the video. I'm gonna show you guys now. I'm gonna show you guys. This is how it spins. Let me just get it out of here. Oh shit, that was not good. So I just want to show you how awesome it looks. It's very fun to do it, but it's very, very dangerous. I hit my friend once with a top. So guys, today I'm gonna make a ASMR video. So this is how it's gonna go.
Charlie, oh, Charlie,